Hi everyone, welcome to Keep Loadings. Today, we're going to talk about something incredibly important. Something that every single truck driver and owner-operator out there needs to know, inside and out. We are diving into the main types of cargo straps and tie-downs you should be using to keep your freight tight and your business rolling smoothly. Look, we all know that proper cargo securement is no joke. In fact, bad securement is consistently one of the absolute top reasons trucks get slapped with out-of-service violations during DOT inspections. A loose load doesn't just mean a ruined reputation or damaged freight. It means hefty fines, lost income, and serious safety hazards on the road. First up, let's talk about the bread and butter of cargo control, ratchet straps. These are incredibly versatile, utilizing a mechanical ratchet to lock everything tightly down. You'll see these heavily used for flatbeds, interior van loads, and medium-duty hauling. The biggest pro tip here? Always check your working load limit, or WLL. Don't just guess it. Make sure the strap is rated for the exact weight you're holding down, and watch out for any edge friction that could cause tears. Next, we have winch straps. If you run flatbeds, these are your daily workhorses. These wide straps feed right into the winches mounted on your trailer frame and are tightened down using a winch bar. They are fantastic for bulky, heavy loads like lumber, building materials, or crated machinery. Because they handle so much tension, you've got to ensure your trailer winches are in perfect working order before you pull. Now, when fabric straps just won't cut it, you move to chain and binder setups. We're talking about heavy equipment, steel coils, logs, and structural steel. Chains don't stretch like polyester web straps do, making them essential for high-mass loads. Whether you're using a lever binder or a ratchet binder, make sure your chains are grade 70 transport quality or higher, and double-check that your tie-down points on the trailer can actually handle the stress. Finally, for our dry van and reefer drivers, we have E-Track and cam buckle straps. E-Track systems are standard inside trailers, allowing you to click specialized straps directly into the walls to create custom cargo barriers. For lighter or more fragile freight, cam buckle straps are perfect because they rely on manual pull tension rather than a mechanical ratchet, meaning you won't accidentally over-tighten and crush delicate boxes or commercial goods. Before we wrap up, let's hit a few quick best practices that will save you from a DOT headache. First, always inspect your straps before every trip. A single deep tear or a frayed edge completely zeroes out that strap's legal capacity. Second, always protect your investment. Use edge guards or corner protectors on sharp cargo to keep the straps from cutting. And lastly, pay attention to your tie-down angles. A strap pulling straight down secures completely differently than one pulled at an angle. At the end of the day, proper cargo securement isn't just about passing a roadside inspection. It's about keeping yourself safe, protecting the public, and keeping your business profitable.